Hey, first of all, thank you very much. Man, what a day. 2 days, 36 hours of unconference. How did we do it, Rohit?
I'm not sure.
Me too. I have no freaking clue. Everybody's giving me a lot of, oh, Sanjeev, how did you put it together? I say, I have no clue. So I think, it's all of us, the people on this call. You made it happen. In 2 weeks, we got the best of the best speakers, Pawan Goenka to close our global summit. Mr. Manoj Sinha to open it, and people like Naveen Jain pour their heart. Man, that was awesome. Thank you. Thanks to all of you. I'm so glad and I'm grateful that I am representing all of us, but this victory goes to all of you. Thanks. Rohit, you have to say something. You are the man behind. You are the one who ran it. We both know who ran it.
Everybody
give a big round of applause. Open your mics, guys. Let's not do that. We don't need to shy.
So I think let
Please,
individual track owners talk about what they have done.
Yes, Sanjay.
Right. So so why don't you go first, Piyush?
Sure. Thank you, Rohit. And hello, everyone. So this was actually a very amazing and awesome experience. I managed the global track, and that started from onboarding the speakers, getting them, getting the dignitarians, panelists, and making sure that they are there into the session. I felt just like starting up all over again, and also going back to the college. So many of us slept for very few hours or did not sleep, night outs, and we finally executed the whole program. Till the last moment, it was feeling like ye nahi ho paega, yeah, ye nahi hoga, but we did it. I was amazed by the support of each and every person whom I came across. There was no one who said no. Everyone said, yes, let's make it. Awesome. So the event was certainly not possible without support of Nilesh. He, as we all know, he's a student coordinator for Alumni Affairs. He and his team totally together handled the entire tech, speaker logistics, creatives, and they supported us throughout the night, throughout the event. And I'm really thankful to each and everyone from his team. I thank all of you again to put in your hard work. Thanks for giving this opportunity. I will now ask Swadeep, who managed the startup pitch. Swadeep, you want to say something?
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, guys. I just can't thank you guys enough. First of all, Sanjeev, thank you for even helping, putting this whole thing together. To be honest, unbelievable. What you put together is just unbelievable, right? 15,000 speakers. And Koshi, thank you for giving me the opportunity, man. Really, you are amazing. I just cannot even start to, I don't know where to start, where to finish. Talking about single-handedly, literally, I know there's a whole team behind you, but pura India segment.
Rohit.
Absolutely. Sorry. See, there are a lot of people who are connected, but not many people are as giving as him. Open heart, he gives out to everybody without even thinking, right? Kya chahiye bol, thak, done. Kya chahiye tere ko bol, done. Unbelievable. First of all, thank you so much, Koshi, from the bottom of my heart. Not only the opportunity for everything you do for me and everyone else over here. I know personally a lot of people who got touched because of you. The things that you hand out to people, right? And all the other people, Swami and all the people who have actually done this great job. And the team, Pratyush, great job, buddy. Great job. First, to be honest, it takes a lot to gain my trust. And I keep testing people until they really come. And Pratyush, you've come through and through. Great job, buddy. He is my right-hand man for the entire event. I'm telling you, Sanjeev, iske bina ho nahi sakta tha ye. I'm not joking. Raat tak baithta hai. And Nilesh, man, 3 a.m. in the morning, I'm asking him, yaar, ye isme thoda twist karna hai. Kar dega? Picture mein, poster mein, font thoda kam karna hai.
We have to eat what he eats.
3 a.m. I think, iska font thoda kam kar de. Sir, abhi to sone do. He just goes and gets it done, right? And then the behind him, right? Shobit, who's doing middle at 3:30 ko final mera posters bana raha hai. right? Puneet and Neha from day one. Where's Neha? Because we dekha nahi Neha ko. Neha kahan hai? And from day one, they have been helping, making the designs. Kobit, of course, is doing the posters. Puneet and Neha, and then we had last May
Rashi.
Rashi gave the designs. And where is Hamara Pekka Banda Suyesh, right?
Yes,
Where is Suyesh?
And
Suyesh, he came and Shivaji kahan hai? Shivaji, there you go. Shivaji also really, to be honest, he really helped a lot. There's a lot of back end work that happened. Every time I need something, I'll give him a small thing, he'll get it done and come back. So
Hey
great.
guys,
I just want to thank you,
let's
everybody.
everybody smile. Somebody takes a screenshot. This is the team, dream team. Every single startup wants to have.
we are taking, yeah.
Grateful.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Teams. So I'm telling you, there's absolutely, you see the faces up here, but all the guys who are leading are nothing because without the volunteers backing you. That's all I want to say from the bottom of my heart. Whatever you guys need in real life also to help you outside this conference, I'm happy to help you guys. Not only the guys
Hey,
who help
I wanted
you,
to Swadeep hear quick 20-30 seconds from everyone. You guys have done a great job. We got the stage time, they didn't. And they are the wind beneath our wings. They have done all the work. We are just the face.
Absolutely.
So I really want to hear from Namrata, from Ashish, from Sachidanand, from Khushi, from Vaibhav, from Kalpen, from every single one of you. Let's go.
I want to hand it, Sanjay, I want to hand it over to Sachin for Swami because he ran the other unconference segment. So you go ahead and it's all yours, Swami. Please go ahead and tell me.
Oh, thanks. So I know almost like everyone individually and last like 2 weeks, we collectively work as a like whole team. So especially I want to say thanks to the like role model Sanjeev here, because I know him personally like almost like couple of years, and he motivated us. Let's do it. There is no way to think about ki ho nahi sakta hai. And this is the very first conference where we was working day and day, no nights, because when we are here in India, it's a day. When it's like a day in US, we was working all the time. And especially thanks to the Nilesh, who was always connecting to everywhere. Piyush, support every time. Anand was a really like connecting node for us in US, because he already set up a like US unconference and connecting to the technical team. There is another Rohit who is sitting from the technical side. Every time he is answering us, oh, your speaker is not on board. No worry. Don't be disheartened. I will fix it. For sure, I will fix it. I have a like early morning experience of like a speaker came from the UK. And
hey, everybody
like,
unmute yourself. This is a common forum. You don't need to be shy.
I
want to hear your smile. I want to hear your laughter.
I thought it's like I'm
Let's cheer for
on mute now.
Me too.
Okay. So very early morning, a UK speaker came and he was not on board, but the technical guy fixed it like in couple of seconds and say, hey, here you go. The whole conference was running smoothly, very nicely, and especially like when the like global speaker was coming, there was no glitch in it. We were really afraid of, oh, he's not on board, he's not running, whether it will going to be like glitch or something. No. Oh, settled. Everything settled. I never found anything no in the conference, really. We worked at like different conferences in the daytimes, but wow, this is the kind of the conference which you rightly told Sanjeev, let's make it happen hours and hours, no, day to day and day to day. It's really happened now. I really hand over to you the next speaker, like Kalpan, please.
I just want to add one thing. I just want to add one small thing. We had more than 15,000 people come, but we had 25 VCs, 15 plus VCs, all of them total combined of more than 5,000 crores coming up there. Literally, all the people are 300, 500 crore funds, and only MD level and partner level and above. That's it, nothing else. Some monitor told me, "Yeah, associate bhejo." I said, "Sorry, not allowed."
That's awesome.
Guys, this was absolutely amazing, overflowing, and simply mind-numbing. The richness of information, the diversity of topics, and the depth of understanding and analysis, the passion to pursue ideas, and the enthusiasm to explore unknown. Everything displayed in a superlative manner. Every good thing comes to an end, and however much we may wish that it continues. I think we touched upon a range of sectors and industries to understand the futuristic developments that are likely to influence and change the day-to-day lives for humanity. I have no doubt the solutions that this community will design will make life easier for billions and give them hopes for a better future. We are thankful to all panelists for spending their time for IIT 2020. Personally, I feel as if one entire IIT semester load of information was shared over these 2 days. I wish to thank in particular my dear friends Sundi Srinivasan, President Pan IIT US, my dear friend Sanjeev Goyal, Conference Chair, and Vitti Bindra, the Conference Co-Chair. All of them, they deserve 3 cheers. So guys, give a good shout for all 3 of them for putting up a wonderful show along with the teams of volunteers across the continents. Good show, guys. We are really thankful to you.
So all the drinks are waiting for you.
Sanjeev sir, yes, sir.
Have a drink on me. And
Vegas बुलाना पड़ेगा हमको.
afford you an alcohol.
हमको Vegas बुलाना पड़ेगा संजीव सर. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. ये इसकी.
All of you.
Personally, I work with alumni affairs team of IIT Delhi, and therefore I am thankful to Nilesh Gupta and his team of volunteers. I wish to thank Rohit Kaushik, who is the co-chair for Global Track. It's always a pleasure to work with Rohit, who enjoys phenomenal capacity and ability to coordinate 30 different activities and 50 WhatsApp groups, all at the same time. So with this, we reach the closure of the event, and I invite Rohit to say a few words. Thank you very much for attending IIT 2020. Take care, stay safe. Thank you.
Thanks, Kalpin. Thanks, Kalpin. So it was in September that Sanjeev and I had a call, but this was in another context. It was for the IIT Delhi Excellence Foundation. He had just taken over as a chair, and he told me in passing that he was organizing the Pan IIT conference in Las Vegas. And because COVID had stuck, we all went online. So he said, why don't we do something innovative? Let's do a continuous conference over 36 hours. So when the US sleeps, can we do a conference in India? And and when we sleep, it continues in the US. So that's how the germ was seeded. And I think over the last 2 months, Sanjeev and I, and then we got all these great team members together. The momentum picked up about 2 weeks ago. And it's great that we could create a very beautiful session, a very beautiful conference. A lot of great speakers, I think close to 70 odd speakers. 2 sponsors, Kotak Mahindra and iToCure, without whom we couldn't get this off the ground. And I'm really happy to be part of this journey. And I'm glad, and I hope to be in touch with all of you in the future. Let's give all of us a combined, big hand.
Yeah.
Yeah. Having said this, so now the party starts. It's 7:30. I invite Alok Sehdev to say a few words about the concert that we're going to start.
Okay, can you take 2 more minutes? I just want to enjoy this moment. Alok, give us 2 more minutes, man.
Yeah. Okay.
I want all of you to at least say your names quickly. Ashish, Navrata, everybody, just say your name.
I'll introduce myself because I'm new chap here in the whole group. I am Alok Sehdev, 1976 IIT Delhi, civil engineer. So we have set up a show for you, a jam session.
Wow, so we have entertainment. Wow. That's cool.
Yeah, entertainment, yeah. No, nice, the best part is, इसमें सारे participants जो है, they are from IITs. So we have IITians from Canada, IITians from London, IITians from Lagos, IITs from US, so many places, and in India, Banaras and
और हफ्ते में आपने सारा कर दिया
and Bangalore, and across all batches, 70s to 2000 batches. Fine. We have covered all, and languages. We have Bengali, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, and English. Everything there. So all done by IIT people, and it has been we have been helped by our detailed partner Pania Vision in putting those into timelines, and it's also been compared by an IITians, S.V. Divakar, 82 batch. So everything IIT, and if you will not feel any professional missing here. They are as good, even better than professionals. They have made beautiful videos, and you will be awestruck by seeing this. I invite you, all of you, please come there, and let's start the jam session now. Rohit,
so we won't miss
Rohit and Sanjeev, because I know only 2 names here. So Rohit and Sanjeev, thank you so much.
Sure.
So
the jam session has started. It will be in the other one, and we can continue this session.
Okay.
So before we go forward, I just wanted to say a few words about SpeakMackey. So Piyush, can we start the video, please?
Yes, we can start the video now.
I leave for jam
SpeakMackey
session.
video.
I leave for jam session.
कुछ चीजों को हम छू सकते हैं, कारें, फोन, कंप्यूटर, आपके हाथ में लगातार चलती पेंसिल,
क्या करें?
रीबॉक के लेटेस्ट जूते,
3 मिनट
आज का अखबार। कुछ चीजें सिर्फ महसूस की जाती हैं। नई कार में बैठकर सपने पूरे होने का एहसास, नए फोन पर पहली बार अपना मनपसंद गाना, लगातार चलती पेंसिल से बना नया स्केच, आज के अखबार की हेडलाइन पढ़कर आया गुस्सा। कुछ चीजें सिर्फ महसूस की जाती हैं। हमारा म्यूजिक, हमारा कल्चर, योगा, मेडिटेशन, हमारे फेस्टिवल, ये सब हजारों सालों से इंसान की अंदर की भूख को पूरा करते आए, वो जो महसूस की जाती है। Society for the Promotion of Indian Classical Music and Culture Amongst Youth, SpeakMackey, उन लोगों से बनी है जो महसूस करते हैं या करना चाहते हैं। बच्चे, बड़े, स्टूडेंट्स, प्रोफेशनल्स, टीचर्स, डॉक्टर्स। फर्क ये नहीं पड़ता कि आपकी उम्र या प्रोफेशन क्या है, सवाल ये है कि आप अपने को समझने के लिए किस हद तक जाएंगे। SpeakMackey का लोगो है दी वर्टिकल आई और दी इनर आई, द आई ऑफ परसेप्शन एंड इंक्वायरी। हमारे लिए म्यूजिक, कल्चर, आर्ट, हमारी सभ्यता, फिलॉसफी वो जरिए हैं जिनसे हम अपनी अमूल्य सांस्कृतिक धरोहर को समझ पाते हैं, वो धरोहर जिसको हम वक्त के साथ साथ किसी हद तक भूलते जा रहे हैं। SpeakMackey के हाथ और कंधे हैं SpeakMackey के वॉलंटियर्स, वो लोग जो इस तेज रफ्तार जिंदगी के बावजूद अपनी विरासत, अपनी आइडेंटिटी, हमारे देश की आत्मा और स्वरूप के साथ जुड़े रहना चाहते हैं। हर साल SpeakMackey के देश भर में फैले वॉलंटियर्स स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस, इंस्टीट्यूशंस में हजारों इवेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं। इन इवेंट्स से हमारी सभ्यता और संस्कृति वहां पहुंचती है जहां हमारा भविष्य है, हमारा फ्यूचर है, हमारा यूथ। फिल्म, थिएटर, म्यूजिक, डांस फॉर्म्स, फोक आर्ट और इन जैसे और माध्यमों से हम लाखों लोगों तक अपनी हजारों साल की विरासत को पहुंचा पाते हैं। वो विरासत जो सिर्फ हमारी है, वो विरासत जिसको बचाना या जाने देना सिर्फ हमारे हाथ में है। वो विरासत जिसको आज हमारी जरूरत है।
So, SpeakMackey was started by Professor Kiran Seth. Professor Kiran and his sister, they grew up in IIT Kharagpur. And their father was the first professor who taught at IIT Kharagpur, was recruited at IIT Kharagpur. He is also an alumnus from there. And then he went to Columbia, came back, started teaching at IIT Delhi. And that's when SpeakMackey was born, about 43 years ago. It soon started in other IITs and is now spreading the knowledge of Indian music and culture globally. There are volunteers all over the country and abroad who are doing excellent work in taking the classical and folk arts to the remote villages. In their 43 history, they have now been so financially weak as they are today. All of us are trying to pass on this beautiful heritage to the next generation amidst heavy odds. If you can also pass on this message to our alumni, Professor Seth will be very grateful. You can support SPICMA-K by going to spicmak.org/donate, and you can get in touch with Professor Kiran Seth at kiran.seth@spicmak.com. Yeah, over to you, Sanjeev.
I'm speechless, Rohit. You have no idea. I'm really tearing. So I got up in the morning and I don't know. Thank you.
So shall we have one tempo shout? IIT 2020 ka tempo.
Hi.
Right up, Sanjeev ka tempo.
Hi.
Rohit ka tempo. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. All of you have done a great job. So we just can't express ourselves as to how thankful we are.
Yeah, so Kalpin, I just wanted, each of the volunteers, each of our volunteers to just tell their name and the college that they're from, just to show the, breadth of, work or breadth of, contribution to this conference. Yeah.
Thank you, Rohit. Thank you.
Yeah. So you can start one by one. Nilesh, you can go first, and then all the other students.
Nilesh here from IIT Delhi.
Also add what you worked on. Just one line of what you worked on.
So I worked on the global segment, including the unconference, startups, and the main speaker segment, and the booth setup.
Wow. Anything left for anyone to do?
I think he was the pivot around which all of us rotated. And if Nilesh was not there, then probably this whole wheel would have fallen apart. Yeah.
Thank you, sir, for giving us the opportunity.
Sure.
Hello, everyone. My name is Namrata Soring, and I'm from IIT Bombay. So I helped while contacting the startups and mailing them and reminding them. So most of the back.
Are you in IIT or you are in high school?
IIT.
Wow.
Yeah, you can just keep going on one after the other.
Yeah.
Hi
hello
guys,
everyone.
this is Puneet here.
Ashish.
Yeah, Ashish, go ahead.
Okay. So hello everyone. I'm Ashish. I'm from IIT Delhi, from Alumni Affairs team, and I think Nilesh was the bridge between our team and the whole IIT 2020 team, and we are just doing the work which Nilesh used to give us. And then you all know that Nilesh has worked quite a lot, in this.
Thank you, sir.
Khushi?
So Vaibhav, you can go next.
Khushi,
Yeah,
we can't hear you.
We can't hear you, Khushi. We can't hear your voice not coming through.
Vaibhav, you go next.
You're not audible. You're going to try again, Khushi.
Hey, Rohit, can you talk on the behalf of Khushi, please? Anybody can we introduce Khushi?
Sanjeev, whoever's available, let them talk, and then
Vaibhav, go ahead, Vaibhav.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Shivaji.
Shivaji, go ahead, please.
Yeah, from IIT Bombay. I, kind of helped Swadeep sir and along with Namrata, so in startups, and I just gathered all the, directors and Danes and ESL overall coordinates data in one sheet. So that's what I just helped. Thank you for this opportunity.
Pratyush.
Hi, I'm Pratyush, IIT BHU class of 2021. I basically was brought into the event by Rohit, and then Swadeep sort of took me into wherever he could. And really happy to sort of be a part of this event and contribute in whichever I could. I was majorly involved in the startup event. I was also the co-host alongside Swadeep, the India startup showcase. It's been a very nice experience. Thank you.
Dalip.
Hello everyone, my name is Dalip. I'm from the batch of 2023 IIT Delhi. I worked along with Nilesh sir, actually, right? He's my events coordinator. We worked all through the jobs that he used to give us, from finding the LinkedIn profiles of the speakers to uploading their bios to registering the speakers and all those works that Nilesh sir used to give us.
Puneet.
Hi everyone, this is Puneet Munda here, ITB 2018 batch. I worked in Creatives Group. I worked on the posters from day one. And I want to give a big shout out to Shobit and Rashi, who has been working from last 3 days on all the posters. Great job, guys. And also, thank you so much for the opportunity.
Himanshu.
Hello everyone, Himanshu this side. I'm second year right at IIT Delhi, and I have worked with Vasudha ma'am on engagement.
Cool.
Super.
Khushi. We can't hear you. You're so happy.
She's speechless.
Let's clap for her.
Okay. Yes, Theo.
Okay, so whoever's worked with Khushi who's worked with Khushi closely, let us know.
So Khushi has helped over the conference like Dalip did. So like all the alumni affairs team did almost all the tasks from LinkedIn profiles to booth setup to everything. So like to appreciate all the efforts made by the whole team.
IIT Delhi second year.
Yeah. Yes.
Vaibhav.
So hello everyone, this is Vaibhav from IIT BHU and I am a coordinator from the Alumni Interaction Cell at IIT BHU. So I majorly helped Pratyush with all he guided us through and was majorly involved with the booth setup. And
Cool.
thank you Pratyush and the entire team for the help and the support they gave us.
Cool. We're all are done now.
Has Himanshu spoken?
Everyone has
yes.
spoken.
All right, let's go and have some fun, guys.
Super.
So, Koshi,
Thank
what
you.
do we need to do? Koshi already left?
Koshi has
Rohit
lot
is there.
more in his push.
I'm here.
He's
I'm
here.
here.
So where is the party you promised all of us?
The party's in the other room.
Where are the shots? Where are the drinks? Where's the bottle? I don't see anything, guys.
The party's in the other room.
All right, let's
let's
join
I'm
the
having
other
a break.
Let's
by
join
the way.
there.
So we join the other room?
Yeah, we
Yes,
can.
Let's
So
join.
Sanjeev, any last words for you, just to complete this whole activity? Any last words for the volunteers? And
I don't know what to say, Rohit. I'm really overwhelmed with the love I got from all of you. I'm lucky to get to call myself your leader.